Good morning. I'll be discussing the importance of being responsible digital as an IT student. So first, what is digital citizenship? So it means paggamit ng technology ethically, respectfully, and safely. Kahit nagkukunin ka man or posting online or managing data. So we have three pillars: privacy, security, respect. So let's break it down. Why is it important? So sa privacy, igalang natin ang personal info ng iba. Huwag basta-basta nagbabahagi ng data na hindi sa atin. Security, protektahan ang sarili at sa ibang online threats. Gumamit ng strong password at iwasan ng suspicious links. So respect, maging marespeto sa internet. Huwag magkalat ng fake news, plagiarism o cyberbullying. So yun lang. So with great power comes great responsibility. As an IT student, natututo tayo ng skills na nagbibigay sa atin ng kakayahan na gumamit ng software, mag-access ng system at maka-influence sa ibang tao. Kaya kailangan din nating i-develop ang digital ethics. Yung alam mo kung ano ang tama at ginagawa mo ito kahit walang nakakakita. So what can you do starting today? So think before you click, post, or share. Tapos mag-credit source properly. Stay informed about digital laws and rights. Tapos report nyo naman kung merong mga harmful content. Tsaka lagi nyo tatandaan na ang internet is permanent kapag nag-post kayo or something. Yun lang, thank you.